In the last video I showed you how to install DOSBox. Now I will show you how to run a program, basically hello world in 8086. So these are some of the folders which are required to run it. So I'll just open a terminal here and create a file, naming it, let's say hello.asm. Now to write the code for 8086, you have to write two segments here. Basic code, you need at least two segments, so which is data segment, and whenever you open a segment you have to end it, so basically data ends. Similarly code segment and code ends. Okay, so basically we are trying to print a string, so for that we have to store the string inside data segment. So I will make a variable, let's say hello, and it's basically defined byte. db means defined byte. I will store the string, for example hello world here, and then I have to indicate the termination of the string, so I can indicate it using dollar symbol. Okay, so this is the data segment. Now inside the code segment I have to first start it. I will use label start. Before doing this I have to tell the assembler directive. So assume cs :code comma ds :data. Okay, now I can start. So for starting there are two basic code I have to write. It's just move data into ax. So I have to move data into ax, then I have to move ax into ds. Move ds ax into ds. Okay, now I have to stop the code, right? So for stopping the code I have a function. So for calling that function, basically I have to move 4000 C00 into ax register. So 4000 C00 H into ax register and call the interrupt. So for any function I have to call the interrupt. Then I have to end the start also. So after code ends I will write end start. Now this is the basic code. This won't do anything, but so for hello world we have to basically load the hello variable inside some register and show it. So let's use a comment here, so you can it's a good practice to leave comments so you can understand your code afterwards. Printing string, I will write printing a string. Okay, so first of all I will move the hello variable inside dx. So lea hello. Now I have to call the function to print it, which is basically move. For that we have to move 09 to h. So move 09 to h, then of course call the interrupt 21h. So this should do it. This should print hello world. Now let's go and open DOSBox. First we have to mount it. Mount c: space home Tiger 8086. Okay, now massum. We have to use the keyword massum hello.asm. Okay, so no errors. Now we can go for linking. Link hello. Okay, link. We can just execute it. Yeah, so you can see this thing is printed. Now if you want to print another string, for example let's make one more string like hi, hello everyone, etc, etc. Let me get everyone. So I can name it hello1 maybe. So I will have to edit here also, hello1, save it and go to DOSBox again I have to link it. So yeah, link and then hello. So you can see hi hello everyone. So in the next Next one we can see addition. Okay, bye bye.